Hello everyone. For anyone that doesn't know, my name is Nathaniel Newton. I hope everybody's just safe and inside and being okay during this fun time that we're all having together in the spring of 2020. What I thought I would do today is I have a spare dollar store plant light and an almost eaten head of lettuce. So I thought, let's run an experiment. Let's see if we can resurrect this head of lettuce. Take a look what I've set up here. So as I was saying, here we have an almost eaten head of lettuce sitting in a plate of water. I sliced off the bottom of the lettuce head and immediately put it in the water so I have a fresh contact. Got rid of a couple of the leaves that fell off, and I've got a little Logitech camera there aimed at it, recording a time lapse. So in a week I'll be able to publish a video of time lapse, show what's happened, whether it starts rotting, whether it grows again, and if you want to find out what happens, then subscribe, as you know. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions on how to make this lettuce grow really well, how to make it root or whatever, using just stuff you have at home when you don't have any rooting hormone or anything like that, let me know. Leave a comment in the description, rate the video, all the things, you know. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers. Those LEDs are so bright, my phone doesn't know what to do with them. Wow. Check it out.